8. Anthropology. This is concerned with the study of existing social institutions and their relationships. The scientific study of the origin, behavior, physical, social and cultural development of humans. The study is concerned with present-day societies, but much of it can be used in interpreting the past, especially where we have a good reason to believe on that societies in certain areas have not altered so much in recent times. It is no coincidence that anthropology has its roots in the Renaissance. It is a discipline that is firmly grounded in the modern era, no longer drawing on metaphysics but instead looking to the here and now of human existence. Combining philosophical ambitions with physiological and psychological questions. Thus from its beginning, anthropology looked at issues which are today considered medical, psychological and philosophical as well as anthropological in the modern sense. And to the power of is a person who studies the above aspects of society. He has to live among those people and learn their culture, thereby enabling him to understand the aspects of life of a certain society and to determine the truth about that society. Advantages of anthropology. 1. Helps the historian to find traces of the past in the present social structures of the society. Therefore, using the current reliable information helps us to understand how the past was. 2. Helps the historian to reconstruct the past elements of all cultures. The historian studies the information and research techniques used by the anthropologist to arrive at a certain conclusion. Generally, anthropology enables a comparison of social institutions of various societies, which helps the historian in tracing the original homeland of social features. Disadvantages of anthropology. 1. A comparison of the social institutions of various societies over a wide area might indicate the influence of one culture upon another and the time when these cultures developed and spread, which may create misunderstanding and hatred between the different societies. 2. The works of anthropology are very limited to time and environment. In the present, people may be living in a condition far different from what their ancestors lived. In the long run, the anthropologist will not get the necessary information required in his study. 3. The knowledge of the anthropologist in this case is very important, as one can easily exaggerate or underestimate or interpret basing on his knowledge a thing that will affect the whole process of trying to reconstruct history. This therefore means that objectivity of history does not mean objectivity of facts but interpretation. 4. This method is too tiresome. The anthropologist has to live among the people and learn their culture, which enables him to understand all the different aspects of life of a given society and to determine whether it is authentic and worth studying.